Hello and welcome to episode 6 of the Wild West Pygame series. Today we'll be making our weapon reload. The first adjustment we want to make to our code is we want to make 2 more timers. So let's first set one of these timers to 0 and then the other one to 120. Now let's start the reloading. So first we need to look for the R key to be pressed. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down here and I'm going to create a new if statement. So we put if keys square bracket pygame.k underscore and then r and then a colon. Now inside here we want to quickly check that we don't have the maximum amount of bullets already in the gun, so we do if character 1 is smaller than 8. We shall add 1 onto the new timer here, so we put timers 2 plus equals 1. Then we need to tell the program that we are reloading, so we do this by setting a reloading variable to true. We want to also set R is pressed variable to true, so we're going to create a new variable called R is pressed and set it to true. And then we're going to go in before this. So then before this we put if not R is pressed, so if not, then brackets R is pressed. And then inside of here we want to put set the new timer, which is timers 3, and we want to set it to 100. Now it is time to add on the bullets. So every 18 times the program loops, if reload is being pressed the whole time, then it will add a bullet. If timers 2 is bigger or equal to 18, then aside here set timers 2 to 0. So timers 2 equals 0, and increase the number of bullets in the gun by 1 with character 1 plus equals 1. Now we want to quickly create an if and else for the whole statement, so we're going to put else. And inside here we reset the variables used, so timers 2 equals 0, reloading equals false, and R is pressed equals false. Now we have done the actual reloading, we will now create some text to show to the bullets at the top left of the corner. So let's scroll down to pygame.display.flip. So we're going to go in just before this. So now inside of here we put ammo equals, and then fonts 0 dot render brackets str brackets character 1, and outside of these little brackets we put plus speech marks /8, then comma false comma colors 1. This will make the text to display the number of bullets. Now to display all of this, we put window.blit ammo, and the place we want to put it at is 180, 70. We then want to put the revolver picture next to it, which is window.blit images 2, and then the place we want to put it at is 2020. Then that is it for today. We have successfully made the character reload his gun. I hope you enjoyed following along to this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking. Tune in next week where we'll be making the character able to shoot.